Hey everyone, welcome back to Arise Safety and CPR. Thanksgiving is just around the corner, and I'm here to guide you through cooking an amazing Thanksgiving dinner. And most importantly, how to avoid any kitchen accidents like burns, and what to do if one happens. Let's keep this holiday delicious and safe. Ready? Let's dive in. Let's start with the star of the show, the turkey. Before handling any hot surfaces, be sure to have your oven mitts ready. It's tempting to grab that turkey or pan barehanded when you're in a rush, but trust me, oven mitts are your best friend here. When moving trays in and out of the oven, always keep your mitts on until everything is safely set down. And remember to never leave anything hanging over the edges of counters where they can be accidentally knocked off. All right, while the turkey's in the oven, I'm stirring up some gravy. When working with hot liquids like boiling water or gravy, be careful of splashes. Stir gently and always turn pot handles inward so no one accidentally bumps into them. Now, if you're planning on deep frying your turkey, it's a whole different ballgame. Make sure your fryer is set up outside, far from any flammable surfaces. Slowly lower the turkey into the oil to avoid splashing. And don't forget to turn off the burner before putting the turkey in. Never deep fry a frozen turkey. Thaw it completely first to prevent dangerous oil splatters. Uh-oh! It happens. You accidentally touched a hot pan. What should you do? First, run the burn under cool, not cold water for 10 to 15 minutes. This will help soothe the area and prevent further damage. Avoid ice, as it can actually harm your skin. After that, gently pat the area dry and apply an antiseptic cream or burn ointment. If the burn is more severe, blisters or worse, get medical attention immediately. For minor burns, cool the burn under running water and apply burn cream. For severe burns, seek medical help. Now, the turkey's done, the sides are ready, and everything looks amazing. Remember to give dishes a few minutes to cool before serving so no one burns their mouth. Let dishes cool for a few minutes before serving to avoid scalding yourself or guests. Thanks for joining me on this Thanksgiving kitchen adventure. Cooking for loved ones is wonderful, but staying safe makes it even better. Enjoy your meal, stay burn-free, and have a happy Thanksgiving. Like, comment, and subscribe for more safety tips. Happy holidays!